all, welcome back to Prime Rigs Limited, another live video. Few weeks back, 1 week back, we have shared you a testing video of our 300 meters depth refurbished truck mounted water well drilling rig. And now we are back with the dispatching video. We have placed the cranes and everything is ready for the loading, and once we're done with the loading, the rig will be shipped to the port and from there it will reach the Africa. This is our 300 meters depth refurbished truck mounted water well drilling rig with the air compressor capacity 1100 CFM, 300 PSI, and the make of the air compressor is ELGI. You can see the loading pictures of drill rods, hammer, bits and complete accessories of our rig. You can see the beautiful moment which is captured in this video, in the live video, that how the rig is going to be placed on this trailer. This is not a one-man show to perform the loading. Rather, many people will be involved in it. They are not the simple workers. They are expertised in doing this. Then we need expertised technicians to perform all these tasks, and that is going to be happen. That is happening already in this video. I'll be showing you the another side of the truck. Here you can see the other side of the truck. As we have been telling you that we provide transparency in this business, and from the date of receiving orders till the date of dispatch, everything we will be recording in a live that will be running in a Facebook, and we will be updating to our customers and also all our prospectors. I'll be now showing you the back view of the truck. You can see here the back view of the truck, where we wrap the control box and the mast completely. Hence, we always tell our customers to come visit our factory in Hyderabad and check the rig by themselves, and then get sure about our company and rig, and then can place the order. Our sales team will be available 24/7 via WhatsApp as well as email for any queries and any questions you have. We are having a very good year-end sale for the rigs. To know the more information of our rigs, you can visit our website www.prime-rigs.com, or you can visit our WhatsApp and even Facebook. We will be active in all social media platforms where to provide the necessary information to our respective customers. Thanks for watching. We will be getting back to you with another live testing as well as the dispatching videos very soon, and even if possible with the production updates. Thank you.